Hey guys, today we're going to show you another way to earn some free Bitcoin. This is for those people who have little extra time during the day and would like to earn a small amount of Bitcoin. Just to make sure you will not get rich doing this, but you have no risk either. On Cointiply you perform microtasks and get a small reward for them. From clicking ads to watching videos. The tasks are different but very simple to do. Let me show you how I do a few tasks and earn a small amount. Then you can decide if you want to join this site to earn fractions of Bitcoin as well. After you signed up, your dashboard looks like this. Under Earn Coins, you can select what type of task you would like to perform. In this video, I will click some ads and watch a video since those are the easiest tasks. You can also download some apps and play their games. This takes more time but the reward is higher too. Here are all the things you can do to earn coins. Let's start by clicking a few ads. Now you have to click the ad and watch it for a few seconds. Once you have done that, you have to confirm your view by passing the captcha. Let's do another one. Didn't watch it long enough, so I have to go back. Now it's working. Again, confirm my view, and that's how it works. Once per day you get a free spin on the slot machine. If you are lucky, you can win some coins over there. Let's try it out. I won 10 coins, not worth mentioning. Let's move on and watch some videos. The rewards for watching a video are much higher than clicking an ad. For this video, you will get 100 coins for every 20 minutes of watching. What I like to do is open the video and then simply mute it. Let it run in the background where it doesn't bother you. Where you get the highest rewards is trying out mobile apps. From playing a game to signing up to an exchange. They have different offers available. And as you can see, the rewards are much higher. They also have a mobile version. If you are waiting for the bus or somewhere, you can play around on your phone. Again, you won't get rich with this, but if you have time to kill, why not earn some crypto? I really like it because it doesn't require any investment. With that being said, give it a try. I will put the link in the description. We hope you find this video helpful. If you want to learn of more ways to earn free crypto, let us know in the comments. Thanks again for staying until the end of the video. Please consider subscribing and we will see you in the next one.